Now, Taranjit sir is alive. Taranjit, now I know that you have been waiting for a long. Please, now you can take it another part of it for solution and the part of it. Over to Taranjit.
So thanks a lot, sir. I had been waiting for my chance, and some technical glitch. Obviously, this is the reason. Considering the technical glitches that online video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Google Meet and Microsoft Teams have been facing. This was the reason that an Indian came up with the idea of Air Meet, and it won 1 crore of grant from the government of India this summer. So with this example of this issue itself, I would start my session that there was a problem. There were the solutions were already persisting, but there was the shortcomings in the previous solutions and the problems faced by the masses like us. Half of the world is currently using the video conferencing apps to interact with each other, like we are doing as of now. So an Indian came up with the idea that how can I eliminate the problems faced by the masses that those have been using these three apps, and the market is dominated by these three apps. So he came up with the idea of AirMeet and consequently won a grant of rupees 1 crore by government of India. That was the story. Moving ahead, very well said by UC Agrawal sir that you need not just identify the problem. You also want a solution. And if you want to jump over to the solution, you need you need a perfect plan, a perfect market research analysis of how the market is performing, and that this is the reason. So you can plan a product that can compete in the market with your other competitors. Moving ahead, what is the solution? How to generate a solution? I'll explain this topic with the help of an example. There are around 30 lakh of small sized hotel or budgeted hotels in India. So considering the budgeted hotels, a 17-year-old boy, right after completing his 12th standard, he toured all India, traveled across India, stayed in budgeted hotels, stayed in some cheap in the sense in terms of the economy that the price he had to pay. He spent that amount and traveled across India, stayed in those suits. And after joining his college in Delhi, he dropped out after 2 days to solve that big crunch of problem that is being faced. The problem actually was the unorganized sector of these budgeted hotels. That boy, the 17-year-old boy, brought all these budgeted budgeted segment hotel into one name called that we currently know as Oyo. Started as Orevel Travels. Oyo Hotels currently a brand of $10 billion with the current market capitalization and is one of the best and the largest success story in the Indian startup ecosystem. That was the first. So this is how you get to know you have a problem, you have recognized a problem, you have experienced a problem yourself, and thereafter you go ahead and you do a bit of research about the solution and pose a better solution than the alternative that have been already existing. So this is about how you recognize the solution.